All of the tools that you'll need to wrangle PowerPoint and create stunning presentations can be accessed by using the menu, called the ribbon, at the top of your screen. Let's start by looking at how to navigate the ribbon to find the tools you need. To make it easier for you to find what you're looking for, PowerPoint has divided the ribbon into different tabs like Design, Insert, and Home. Opening a tab reveals various commands. Based on what these commands or functions do, PowerPoint organizes them into different function groups. If you look closely at the font group under the Home tab, you'll find it has everything you need to work with text, including options like bold, italics, font color, and font size. Some function groups even have a little arrow in the bottom right corner that you can click on to view even more commands. Clicking on the font group's arrow allows you to add effects to your text, such as strike-through, superscripts, subscripts, and even capitalization. If you ever feel like the ribbon is taking up a bit too much space, PowerPoint has the option to hide or minimize it. Click on the downwards facing arrow in the top right corner, then choose an option. One of the options that you'll see here is Show or Hide the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is an area which you can use to access the functions which you frequently use, like Save and Undo, without having to navigate to specific ribbon tabs. You can even add more commands to the Quick Access Toolbar by clicking on the small arrow next to the toolbar and checking the relevant boxes. Let's look at the presentation itself. In this example, we have customized some of the pages with slides that will illustrate different concepts. To navigate to a different slide, use the pane on the left-hand side of your screen. The space in the center of your screen is where you'll create and edit your presentation. Small rulers separate your designing area in the center of your screen from your slide navigation pane on the left and your ribbon at the top of your screen. These rulers come in handy when you want to align different objects and elements on your slide. If you want to show or hide your rulers, go to the View tab and check or uncheck the box, depending on your preferences. For even more control over your slide's layouts, you can turn on gridlines and guides. In the bottom right-hand corner, you'll find a few more tools to change the way that your presentation is displayed. To zoom in or out, click and drag the zoom control. Your current zoom percentage is displayed right next to the slider. Specify your own percentage by double-clicking on this percentage. These 4 buttons allow you to switch between different slide views, with the normal view selected by default. The normal view is great for everyday tasks, like creating and editing slides. Slide Sorter displays smaller versions of the slides in your presentation, making it great to review your presentation's structure. Reading View gives you a focused view of your presentation, hiding all the different editing tools to make it easier for you to review the content of your presentation. The final view is the Slideshow view. This will play your slides as an actual presentation. Last, but most definitely not least, let's take a quick tour of the Backstage View. To get to the Backstage View, you need to click on the File tab to the far left-hand side of the ribbon. This is where you can access all of the information related to your current presentation, create a new presentation from scratch, open a different presentation, save your presentation, and even print your current presentation. All you have to do is click on one of the items in the left pane, and it'll open on the right. The Backstage View makes it very easy to find what you're looking for and review your options, all in one place. We have now covered the basics of PowerPoint. Next, we'll dive into the mechanics of creating a PowerPoint presentation, starting with inserting a slide.